Say hi. Can you say hi? Where's your eye, Alex? Yep. Where's your nose? Oh, where's your mouth? Where's Granny's kisses? That's so bad. Let me get Granny's kisses. Oh, that's so sweet. Say hi. What are you? Oh, you kissing that little boy in the mirror? You little ham. No, don't take it out of Granny's hand. You might drop it. No, no, no. Don't drop it. Say hi, Ava. Hi, Ava. Say hi to Sissy. Hey, where's your Hong Kong? Hong Kong. What's that, your foot? Why are you taking your socks off? Huh? Bye-bye, socks. Alex said he's done with that. Okay, can you count to 5? 5. I hear Mommy and Daddy. They're going to come through the door. You hear? Listen, here they come. Here they come. Keep watching. Scare them when they come in.